Do the more.
What, bitch?
Do the more.
Yeah, whoa.
Do the more.
Yeah, woo.
Do the more.
Yeah, whoa. Damn.
Niggas tryna flex like Mar. Fuck bitches, no X like Mar.
Yeah.
Pull up in that.
Yo, Lilmar, no, for real, that way. Yo, welcome back to the YouTube video, guys, and today I'm heading to that car show that I mentioned in the last video. They're doing a car show in Charlotte at the NASCAR, I don't know if it's a racetrack. I know it's called the NASCAR Technical Institute or whatever like that. It's basically like a, well, they used to do the Columbia car meets in Columbia, but now they don't really do them in South Carolina anymore. They do them in North Carolina, so it's still like hosted by Columbia car meets, but they're doing it in Charlotte. So it's about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive. So I'm about to head up there right now. I'm actually about to pick up one of my homegirls first. She's gonna ride up there with me. Yeah, I'm about to have a great time. I bought a VIP ticket, so you know, we get to get in early, we get to park in the VIP area. They're gonna have food vendors out there, all type of dope stuff. It's gonna be lit, so I'm gonna definitely try to be a social butterfly this time, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to meet some cool people and just if anybody comes up and has any questions or anything, you know, I'm gonna hopefully meet some pretty cool people today. So I'll see y'all later. Yeah. Alright, so we out here. Got parked. I already had like 2 people come up to me so far, said they like the rap. That's how much it was, shit like that. But there's a lot of nice cars out here. We got a C7 over here. Grand Sport. That shit hard right there. Oh, that's too. Oh, I should have parked over here. I guess this the one he said is his. The silver one. More people looking at my vet. They checking it out. That's awesome. He taking a picture. Y'all, this is my dream car right here. You didn't know they make Lamborghini SUVs? I'm sure some of y'all be able to look at this engine and tell me exactly why he was able to get me, but I was not able to keep up. Another one. Got all 5 of them. I like the color of that Mustang though.
7-Eleven. Free Slurpee. No. She meant at the beach.
Oh, this like light blue one.
Oh, no. What's your name, man? Oh, you just like the one that just like that up? Yeah. Okay.
Oh wait, he got his like car stat set up.
It's pretty nice, man. Yeah, she's my baby. I looked up and got her.
You see the Daytona over there?
Yeah.
I turned around all the way. You got to be kidding me.
That thing is beautiful.
I don't know what none of that makes. Someone got a Bentley over here.
Contest going on at 9:15. Sign up for English to the main tents right now.
I don't know what kind of Bentley this is. Someone parked a big ass truck by my car. They parked a big ass truck by my car. That should say 0 rear horsepower. Then we got this over here with all this carbon fiber. Oh shit. Got some vets over there. I got the M3 right here. Alright, you about to rev it again, bro. This shit was crazy loud, y'all. We at South Park, about to valet the car. I ain't never valet parked a car before. Fuck, I don't even know how much this shit is. Where's the valet go? I don't know who to give my keys to.
I'm not sure either.
I think the desk right there. It's just $10? Yeah. Okay, shit. Alright, y'all. So we just went shopping. Valet parked. I paid the $20 to park it right at the front. It's my first time doing valet. I ain't never valet parked a car before, so it was pretty cool. But yeah. And the car show was pretty cool. So now we're about to head back to Columbia. Alright guys, so I already dropped her off, and I'm at Sonic now getting me something to eat before I head back home and get ready to go back on the road in the morning. But man, we had such a blast, man. I had such an amazing day. And next week we're supposed to go jet skiing, so that's gonna be really fun. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, like I said, I met a lot of cool people. We had a blast, man. We didn't stay too long, but that's because we wanted to go to the mall. But that's all right. We got to, you know, see all the cars and stuff like that. And so many nice people came out, and like some lady came up and she wanted to take a picture of me with my car because she liked how it matched, and it was just so amazing. But well, I'm almost at the one now, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you click the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at the real Lilmar. Follow me on Snapchat, Lilmar. And yeah, no, for real, that way.